Hello everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to learn how to take any exponent and make it positive. Before we begin, let me just get some coffee. That's better. Now, let's start. Let's say you're given a variable or number raised to a negative power. Your first step is to remember that all numbers can also be written as fractions over 1. So let's go ahead and place that number to a negative power over 1. Next up, let's go ahead and color code the top and bottom of our fractions as different colors. I always like to keep my math color coded. It's easier that way. Now, all you have to do is make your negative exponent positive is take what's at the top of the fraction and bring it down to the bottom, and take what's at the bottom of the fraction and bring it up to the top. Once you've swapped the top and the bottom components of your fractions, you get to take that negative exponent and make it positive. That's it. That's how easy it is. For another example, let's say that you were given a number with a negative exponent, but this time it's already at the bottom of the fraction. Once again, let's color code the fraction, take what's on the top of it and move it to the bottom, and take what's at the bottom of it and move it to the top. Once we've made the swap, we can go ahead and take our negative exponent and make it positive. Now, whenever we have the bottom of the fraction, that's the number 1, we really don't need to write it. So we can simplify our fraction so a simple base with an exponent is our only answer. Voila! That's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.